Welcome to the most trusted source in embedded systems. Welcome to EMAC Inc. We have a wide variety of products and services to suit all of your embedded requirements. EMAC has a staff of engineers that offer both custom and semi-custom designs. EMAC provides the products and services necessary to compete in the global embedded marketplace. We can equip your company with quality-built systems that are completely integrated and built to your specifications. We supply off-the-shelf embedded products distributed from industry-leading companies. All of our OEM products are designed and manufactured in the United States. We have an expansive range of vertical markets that we serve. EMAC has a broad spectrum of products to choose from. We design and manufacture full-function system-on-modules for the embedded market. We provide high-quality open and enclosed frame panel PCs. EMAC Inc. offers a wide variety of ARM and x86 single-board computers. EMAC offers small, rugged, yet powerful industrial embedded servers. Our team of engineers have the expertise to deliver custom carrier boards at a competitive price. The IIoT could boost 20 of the world's largest economies by an additional 14 trillion by 2030. EMAC wants to help your business share a part in this growth. EMAC manufactures products in the USA that are shipped to top-tier customers across the globe. Our headquarters is located in Carbondale, Illinois. Get connected with EMAC. Check us out on our social networks. Our products make your products better.